Alright. No, I want to start from scratch. Earthy tones. So I'm going to say... Uh, I always like to say minimal implementation because they'll add like minimal code. Alright, let's see what it can do. This is always the fun part. You can kind of like watch it and like see if it does things correctly. I mean, it's kind of like learn like you're watching someone do a project basically. Like you're watching like a YouTube video, watching the AI do this, and like it's kind of interactive. It's fun. Just gonna use my Florida vibe. I did like old Florida vibe. I like that. Like the um, old Florida vibe. Like retro surf, I guess. Kind of like that. I like that kind of stuff. Like that. That. This is really cool. Pretty with the hibiscus flower. It's really cool. See what's going on over here. I guess while we're waiting, we can kind of go over like the structure of the data. So essentially, it's just going to be an e-commerce site that's going to display a bunch of kind of like template photos like this, but of the Florida state, and then it's gonna have a bunch of surf breaks on it. I got the idea from my brother sent me an Instagram post of someone kind of did something similar. It was like a picture of Florida with like all the surf breaks labeled, and it kind of gave me an idea. Like, I think that's really cool, and I would want that. So, um, yeah, we're gonna make it with a twist. So what are they adding? Alright, so you added all the node modules, which we have. Just React. Now we're about some more stuff. Um, but yeah, so essentially what I did was I went to surfforecast.com, and this is a really good place that you can check out like surf spots and see like what kind of breaks they are, and like discover new breaks, see what like the best time of the year that they're breaking. But it says all of Florida, so it's like the Gulf Coast, North Florida, South Florida. So let's say like New Smyrna Inlet, where I like to surf a lot. It's fire, good photo. But you can see here, like you can see like the type of the break. It's like a beach jetty. Reliability, super consistent. This is true. February best season. This is also true. And then you can get like the lat long here. So what we did was we got all of the links to these through. They're like just a bunch of hrefs. So you can click here and you can see like this is the content. And then inside this content, there's just a bunch of rows with these columns. And it's 17th. You know, the next one is Honeymoon Island, and then we grab those, and then you can click that, and then it goes to the break. It's another break. So what I did was I grabbed all these, put them in a file in Cursor called breaks. Or no, listings, excuse me. Those are listings. So this is all these that we just saw in there. So in this way, cursor is able to know that when I navigate to this base URL and then append those href URLs that we have right here. So this would append to like surfforecast.com. It knows the structure of the page, so it knows what to look for. So that way we're able to get all of those, and then once we have all those listings, we're going to step into each of them, and then this is the content of that. So this is like just an example of this Anclot Island, and then you can see like all the stuff like Rayleigh breaks. It's a sandbar break, you know, like all the information that we need. Yeah, so then this scraper right here does all that. We don't need to go crazy into it. Cursor's waiting for us over here, so let's let that go. It basically extracts all the links from that HTML file that I gave it right here. So I kind of did the heavy lifting a little bit, so it didn't need to go. Like I just copied this like whole component right here. You can do that. You can just copy element. Kind of helping Cursor out a little bit. So I do all that, and then gets all the break information. Yada yada yada, scrapes all those breaks, saves the JSON, saves the CSV. So now I get this JSON and this CSV of all those breaks, all their lat longs. There's a null value here. You can like check to see how many. So we have 5. Calle Hermosa, the Point Break, Point Fork, Pensacola Beach, Pensacola Beach. See how we just correct those. It's fine. No big deal. But yeah, we got the info we need. Lat long. And then the break type. So I'm thinking like what we're gonna do is have the AI create like a bunch of different like cool templates of Florida, and then from there we're gonna have to create some sort of like pixel lat long mapping system to where we're able to kind of like map a lat long system over that template, and then we can kind of like pixelate over that and then decide where to place, you know, like all of these breaks like Honeymoon Island, Pensacola Beach, Pensacola Beach Pier, Destin, Turtle Beach, all these places. So that'll be cool. That'll be the fun part. But for right now, we're having the AI create the e-commerce store for us, which is phase 3. So what I do in these projects is I create a context to where I kind of summarize the project as a whole. I like to do a lot of like mono repo structures. So I'll just kind of take all of these ideas that I have and then throw them into like Gemini or Claude or some other like large language model to better structure my thoughts. Like I just kind of ramble in there like what my tech stack I want it to be, kind of the theme that I want, and then how I want like all of these different services to flow together, and then kind of walk it through the pipeline of my application. So in this case, it's basically like my first thought was, okay, we're going to need all this information, all the surf breaks. Like, what's a good way to get that super quick? You know, boom, surf forecast. I go on this place all the time. Got all that, stored it. So then, yeah, from there, what we need to do in phase 2 is build those kind of templates, images of Florida, and then build those kind of like lat long mapping system so we can put the coordinates on there. Kind of gives like a basic idea here, like how we can do example prompts to get what we want, like a vintage Florida travel poster map. Definitely not say like empty of text, no text. Like these are good things to give these models. I don't know what model I'm gonna use yet. Maybe like Dolly. I don't really want to pay. Stable Diffusion, I could look into that. But for right now, we're focusing on building the site. That's the purpose of this video. And then the next video, we'll go back into phase 2. We're kind of jumping around here. I already did phase 1, didn't record it. I don't know why I just didn't, but yeah. Wow, so this guy's pumping over here. All right, let's see if we can run a server and see like what he's doing over here. Oops. That's funny. Oh yeah, there's no. So what we built all the components for interesting. Don't need this. Must have been a mistake. It's cool. Yeah, we got the layout, and then now we're about to do the page. It's the basic structure of these next steps. So we got Python and Next mixed together. It's probably like try to tidy this up. So let's say like I don't know, like break scraper, or I'd say like services. Alright, new folder. Break scraper. We're gonna move that in there. We're gonna move that in there. Keep that here. Move that in there. Cool. Oh, so he's building it out. Let's see. Oh. Nice. Alright, so we're making good stuff. Like, seems like this is a good hero section. I'm kind of worried that it's just gonna be a little extra. Like, I forgot to prompt like, I mean, I said minimal implementation, but I didn't say like minimal design. And they usually like these AI models have a tendency to go crazy on this design. I mean, we're gonna need to see it first. I kind of want to let it like finish its rambling and then tell it like, yo, this is broken. I wish I would show you like a preview. Oh, here we go. Oh, we compiled. Dang. Rip. Psych. I mean, it's pumping. I wish I need to fix this in like another chat. Let's see if we can fix it ourselves. Alright, we're human. Looks like we're having Tailwind CSS directly as a post CSS plugin. So let's check all the configs. Alright, post CSS, Tailwind. Might be some. Do we have Tailwind installed? Yeah. Yeah. Could be something to do with this. Holy colors. You're crazy. I mean, you're right. It's a good color. Oh, let's let it run it so we can see that it's messed up. Alright, whatever. Let's just stop it and say There seems to be... Say please around here. There you go. He sees the issue. We're using a newer version of Tailwind CSS, which requires a different post CSS config. That's what I said. Remember? It was that. Here we go. Ah. That's funny. Looks cool. We've got no CSS though. Always an issue. I mean, let's see. It doesn't say anything in here. What styles is this? It's a lot of CSS. Maybe something to do with this. Looks nice. Like, that's fresh. It's where there's like unsplash images. There's just always an issue with CSS using Tailwind and AI. It comes to seem I always have issues. Like, does it matter what version I'm using? Like, can't we just figure it out? So I feel like with these AI models, it's always easier to just start with like a template, like already kind of pre-configure a tailwind and whatnot. Like, we're wasting so much time here. I mean, we're at like a 20-minute video and we haven't even seen a website. Like, how is this vibe coding? I mean, we are vibing. We're vibing super hard, but it just should be quicker. You know, like we should be right now like tweaking some things, but no, Right now we're going back and forth with the Tailwind config, post CSS, blah blah blah. Yeah. What's cool also is that it created these are Shadcn components, just like so we didn't use a Shadcn plugin. I don't think so. Just create them. It's cool. Here we go, buddy. Yeah, this is fire. Come on now. Come on. The weird circle right here, but yeah, this is nice. Let's go. Wow. Wow. I'd buy something here. Very cool. Works. Nice. This doesn't work. Cool. Whatever. Wow. Yeah, very interesting. Very interesting. Very cool. I like this cursive. Alright, that needs to be fixed, but it's fine. No product page. It looks very cool. Looks very cool. That could be fixed. But yeah, I'm a big fan. Oh, here we go. Born from deep love of photosphere culture. Cool. Very cool. Alright, awesome. Looks incredible. So now let's say that it looks incredible. Let's please modernize and minimize the product listings and also after that, modern, super modern. I kind of like who is it that is it like students? Oh, is it like students golf? Brave sucks. So on their products, like let's whatever, let's go to Polo. Oh no, it's not them. Who is it? Who does it? What's the other golf brand? Malbon. It's definitely not a website. Oh, yes, it is. Boom. Super clean. It's kind of what I want our website to look like. Wow. This cool line. Yeah, like that. Like that. Cool. See what it does. It's so funny. Like, I don't like the prices. Like, I don't like these tags either. It's like all surf breaks. What's their product listing like? Such a big site. Cool. I like this. This is cool. Like, Malbon's super simple, but this is cool. I like the green. It's interesting, like orange right here. Maybe like orange blossom, kind of. 50 plus, maybe like hundreds. Cool. Still not like crazy about this, but we'll work on it. It's fine. I mean, get the job done. Mm, it's fine. I like the breadcrumb here. This needs to be fixed. I mean, boom, straight to products. True. This is true. So, yeah. Print care? What is that? Turn it up a little bit. Good song. Alright, hey, let's see if he updated the posters page, he says. Oops. Good. I love how they find, like, like, they lint their code right after they write it, so they're able to see the errors. Very nice. Very cool. Come on. Oh, nice. This is better. Fire. It's good stuff. Hey. Art prints? Okay. I like it. Cool. Looks very nice. Yeah, that's much better. What's with this blue is interesting. It's definitely not right. Cool. And then quick add, or can we go to it, or no? We can't go into it? Oh, we have to click. I don't like that. This is nice. Awesome. Now build the add to cart flow and checkout. That's a good prompt right there. App looks great. Must stop it. Oh, nope. Yeah, do that. Run on my phone. See how it looks. Whoa! It looks so much different on my phone than it does right here. Like what? It looks like yellow. Like where's that yellow coming from? Interesting. Yeah, that's very. Why is it doing yellow? That's very weird. Doesn't look good at all with that yellow. Looks good though. Like looks really good. I would buy from this company. Feel like trustworthy. Yeah, definitely gonna fix that. I don't know what's going on there. This guy's chugging away on the cart. Interesting with like the blue. Yeah. This is like what we need the website to look like. We need to get like images and stuff in here, like art, like that. Oh, dude, these are amazing. I have so many of these kinds of pieces around my house. So beautiful. This is where my dad proposed to my mom at the Coconut Grove Arts Festival. So it's very special and great art. Alright, let's see what's going on over here. Seems broken. Just let it fix it. Oh, so we need a cart provider. Oh, here we go. Boom. Ha ha ha. Oh, that's money, dude. What does it look like on the phone? No quick add on the phone. Cool. Dang. I'm assuming he's been on check. Oh my god, come on. Come on. Like, as soon as I'm done, like, testing and looking at it, boom, already on the next task. Like, it's like they can read my mind. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. I wish I had, like, multiple of them so I could do, like, um, this guy's work on the checkout, and, like, I also kind of want to change, like, this, like, add some padding. You know what? I'm a programmer. Let's see if we can figure this out. Yeah, I'm just gonna search this text and find this. Surf break collection. I'm gonna find that. I'm gonna look at the hero. So let's change. Let's take margin top 12. Not 112. 12. Boom. That looks great. That looks great. That looks great. I don't always know how I feel about like being able to see that in the. Interesting. Yeah, looks fun. Cool. Oh, so the checkout works now. All right, let's see. Let's do a checkout flow. Explore collection. Speed run the app. Black frame. I want 2 of them. Because I get free shipping over 75. Checkout. Boom. Oh my gosh. Let's go, buddy. Gray. Test at email.com. Don't need that. 1, 2, 3. Address. Very cool. I like that. Let's go. Just like that. We have a full app built. Oh, that's so sick, dude. How long did that take? 40 minutes? I mean, not terrible, but like, dude, that's hype. That's super hype. So then, yeah, man. All we gotta do next is just build out this AI-powered poster generation system. So we'll get to that in the next video. But yeah, super cool that we're able to build this, and like 30 minutes, I'd say, like, yeah, 40 minutes. Spent so much time debugging, but to get from that to that at the end of the day, like, pretty crazy. Let's see it from quick add view. So let's like add that. Very cool. This is so professional. Dude, I would literally buy a poster from here. Alright, let's check out. Cool. Can I see the same? I don't want to go through all this again. Oh, cool. Let's go. Awesome. Well, yeah, thanks guys for watching. If you made it through to the end, I appreciate you watching. I hope you learned a thing or two, just about how to debug and prompt. I don't know. It was kind of like strange with the talking and not talking, but I'm still trying to figure it out. And yeah, appreciate you guys watching my first video if you watched it this far, and see you guys at the next one. Peace.